It's the moment of truth. Let's give this chili a try. Ooh, look at that. Boy, when the weather's getting cooler, I know I love a good old bowl of chili, or 2 or 3. Hey, today we're doing a white chicken chili over on that Blackstone Pellet Grill. Boy, it's gonna be some good groceries. Let's get started. That's some good groceries. All right, to get things started, we have a whole chicken, and we are going to spatchcock the chicken. What does spatchcock mean? We're gonna take the backbone out of this sucker, okay? This is the breast side, top side, if you will. We're just gonna flip her over. Get you some nice, these are actually shears for chicken. I suggest getting some of those. You can also use a sharp knife. You just wanna basically go, kind of see the backbone, the way it runs right through there. You just wanna take your shears or your knife and just run along that backbone right there. And then kind of get the backbone here. So you can actually save this for stock. You can put it in your broth, all sorts of things. And there we go. Now go flip her over. Now you can, you can be a chiropractor if you want. You want to, those videos on YouTube, and you can say, all right, you ready? 1, 2. Oh, you hear that crack? Yeah. You just want to flatten it out just a little bit. You're basically taking that breastbone in there and just flatten it out. The reason why you want to do this is it cooks faster, cooks more evenly. It's just easier, and it's pretty cool to say the name. So just say. So there you go. Nothing else. If you want to take some paper towels, there's some extra skin, right here. Just take your shears to shear that off. But yeah, you want to clean it up from some of the internals. All good. Just gonna kind of take a paper towel and dab this. Not like that, but y'all know what I'm saying. Now, what we're going to season these up with, we're going to season it up with a little bit of the Essentials blend. That's got all your essentials. Got your salt, got your pepper, got your garlic. It's got all the goodies. I'm gonna go kind of liberally with this. I want this thing to have some flavor. Flavor. All right. And then on this bottom side, it really don't matter. There's not a whole lot of meat right here on the bottom side. I'm gonna come in with some Outlaw barbecue. It's gonna give it a little bit of color from the paprika. It's got a little sweet to it. That bottom side or underside is good. Now, I'm gonna take my fingers, and if you don't do this, the thing is the meat side, this is the skin here. It just won't have any flavor. So I like to kind of take the skin, pull it back, just kind of put some seasoning all up in there. You can also, tell you what, I was trying not to get my hands dirty, but yeah, there we go. And I just did it with I'm gonna bring our seasoning. There we go. Just work that seasoning in with your hand. Perfect. And just try to give it as good as you can. All right. I'm going to season this kind of presentation side. And again, going in with the Essentials blend. Just making sure you get everything nice and coated. There we go. Coming in with some of this Outlaw barbecue. Make sure you get those wings. Make sure you get those drumsticks. Get the thigh. Well, there you go. That is a nice seasoned bird right there. All right, I'm gonna let this set for about 10 minutes. We got a few other things to attend to. Next on the agenda, we're gonna get just a few vegetables. We're gonna get them cut up. I like to have some onions, little diced onions, always good. It seems like always, white chicken chili without onions is like, I don't know. It's like country style steak without gravy. It's gonna take just a yellow onion. Half an onion might be good. We're not making a big batch of chili. And I got plenty of jalapeños over there in my little garden. I thought, let's add a little bit of jalapeños. We're just gonna dice these bad boys up. All right, we're gonna head over to the griddle. We're gonna get these caramelized up a little bit, and then we're gonna do the rest of the steps for our white chicken chili. Whew, it's gonna be good, let's hold on. So right in the middle here, I'm gonna add, this is baking up. I got my griddle on a low temperature, but it's been on for a while. And we're gonna put our onions right there and our peppers. All right, guys, so our onions or peppers, they are Getting a little bit of griddle love here, y'all. And that's exactly what we want, just get a little bit more flavor. You can, of course, put them in raw if you like, but I'm not going to do that. Don't want to do that. I want to get a little bit more flavor. So we got a Dutch oven here, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to put the Dutch oven into the pellet grill. The chicken's over it. It's going to be like an over the top, okay? I got 1 can of chicken stock. I think the guy shafted me on my online groceries. It's all good. I think I could have swore I put 2, but it's all good. We got something for this. So if you don't have chicken stock, you can always, get some powdered bouillon, which, I am a very big proponent of. And you could basically make chicken stock. We have our stock here. It's going to be a great little bath for our chicken to come. To this, we're going to add 2 cans of Great Northern beans. I put the juice and all in there. And then, I guess I could have put these onto the griddle. These are Hatch green chilies. I'll put one jar of it. All right, so I did not season up our peppers, our onions. There's a lot of flavor going on here. I just didn't want to put any more. So I just want to be careful of the sodium, the salt content, right? Well, our onions, our peppers, they are done. I mean, literally, 5 to 7 minutes. And we're just going to put these right into our Dutch oven. Now, I don't know if you can quite see this, but I'm going to give it a stir. Oh man, that's going to look good. That's going to be good. That is not going to suck. All right, now that we're finished with the griddle, let's head over to the pellet grill. And we're going to take our whole chicken and put it right above that Dutch oven. Make sure you bunch it together. It just kind of cooks a lot more evenly, and there won't be anything that gets hard and crunchy. Also like to take that backbone that we cut out, put it over to the side. You can also put it in your stock as well. Later on, I'll put that into the stock because I wanted to get a little bit of that smoke. All right, once we're done there, we're going to close the lid and we're going to run this at 250 degrees for about 30 minutes. This is just to get things up and running. A little bit of smoke, it's not real hot, okay? And after 30 minutes, we're gonna ramp the temperature up to 400 degrees, and that's gonna finish this chicken. It'll be nice and crispy. The skin will be nice and rendered, will not be soggy at all. All right, it's time to check on our spatchcock chicken. Oh, buddy. Woo. Yeah. That right there. Look at that bird right there. All right. I'll take this over to our cutting board and also need to get our pot. This is our, woo-hoo. Boy, it looks so good. I'm gonna take and put it onto the griddle. Woo, look at that thing right there. Gonna let that cool off and then we'll shred it. We still got some work to do with our, kind of our broth here. It's gonna be kind of hard to see this, but it's kind of reduced down a lot. And we got a few more things to add to this. It's gonna make it really yummy. We're gonna put some aluminum foil on our chicken and just let that chicken come down in temperature to, a manageable temperature to where we can shred this. Our broth is looking really, really good. It's gonna come together really nicely. We got a few more ingredients that we have to put in here, and we're gonna do that once our chicken is ready. After about 15 minutes, we're gonna remove the foil and we're gonna start shredding and cutting down this chicken. I like to take the quarters off first, then the wings, and then go to the breast, and then just start shredding. I like to take a fork and just kind of go at the shreds. There's really no right or wrong way here. It's still kind of hot, so probably could have used a little bit more time to sit. After you got all your chicken pulled, now let's head over to our Dutch oven, and we're gonna start putting the chicken to this thing. Ooh, yeah. So I cut my burners on this side here. Gonna let this start coming up to temp. All right, next, take some cream cheese, cube that up. Go, take that over and place into our pot. To this, we're gonna add about a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Yeah. Give that a stir. We're gonna wait till the cream cheese is melted. It's gonna take another 10 minutes or so. Put the cover on it, and we're gonna let that go for about 10 minutes. All right, so what I did is I've let this simmer for darn near 45 minutes. And it's gotten nice, it's gotten creamy. The cream cheese has melted, and this is pretty dang nice. So we're gonna let this cool off just a little bit, and then we're gonna start serving some of this up. All right, let's move our pot over here. Woo, yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Oh man, this looks phenomenal. Now you don't have to put it on your griddle if you don't want to. You wanna leave it, put it in a smoker, let it go, put it in the crock pot, and then let it go, whatever. This right here is good white chicken chili. Dish some of this up. Got you a nice little Blackstone insulated mug. Use whatever you like. Bowl. These are perfect camping. Add us a little bit of cheese to the top of this. Ooh, yeah. That, my friends, be a little bit of chopped little green onions. Add a little bit of green onion to that. That, my friends, is white chicken chili. Woo! Oh, I got a little bit of sour cream. I like a little sour cream in mine. Woo! Got a little full there. All right, friends, it's the moment of truth. Let's give this chili a try. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, creamy. Ooh, look at that cheese. Oh my gosh. Those onions. Those chilies. Won't get any hot. I was thinking I might get hot with the jalapeños, but not so much. It's cheesy. Super cheesy. I'm gonna grab a hold of this thing. Oh man, I got one of those Great Northern beans. They have a meatiness to them. I absolutely just love. Oh man. That's a good chili right there. Good night. Y'all, if you like chicken chili, I suggest you try this. Guys, I tell you what, fire pit season's coming up. I can see myself kick back with a cup full of this white chicken chili. Guys, I appreciate you stopping by. I appreciate you watching this. Hey, make this, give it a try. If you don't mind, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and most of all, leave me a comment. I do like to interact with you. Let me know, hey, would you try this? And what's one of your favorite chilies that you like with fire pit season coming up, cooler weather? Lastly, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you see other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.